Hello everybody, it's Clayton from Clay Store, and on today's episode of Poly Perfect, I am going to be showing you how to create your own legendary wand from the new series, Hogwarts Legacy. Hello, welcome back everyone. In today's episode we will be looking into masking and polygroups in Zbrush. If you missed out on last week's episode, you can check it out in the description below. Also, next week we will actually be starting the sculpting stage for our wand, so stay tuned for that. Let's head over to Zbrush. So let's get started. Firstly, we're going to go through masking. So masking, if you hold Control and draw on your mesh, you'll see it will add a dark shade to it. Essentially what this is saying is the white values can be edited and the black values can't be edited. You can also invert this mask by holding Control and clicking on the environment. To show you exactly what that does, I will demonstrate it here. As you can see, all of the black zone does not get edited by what I do. Now, if you'd like to polygroup, which is really good for having like certain selected things, so you can hide things by having polygroups, and you also can Z-remesh by polygroups, and there's lots of different things you can do. We will go through all these different things in later episodes. However, just for the basics, I'm going to show you exactly how to use polygroups. If you head down here and press Shift F or press this, it's going to show your lining. Now you can see our mesh is red, which is essentially saying that our polygroup is all one thing. However, if we have something masked and press Ctrl W, that will add a new polygroup to whatever is not masked. If you would like to isolate these, you can press Ctrl Shift click, and now you can see that you have only this selected. You can also mask by polygroup, so if you select your polygroup and then mask and then unmask, you will see that that is the only thing selected. If you want to learn more about ZBrushes, by subscribing at claystore.com, you will find the raw footage of this wand creation. This also helps us out and lets us continue to create content just like this. Did you know we have a community Discord? No? Well, check out the description below. Make sure you read the rules and tick the box at the end so that it will give you full access of our Discord. Then head over to Introduction. Pick your roles. Here you can select if you want to be notified if new games and movies drop. You can select your career path. You can choose to be a part of the Clay Store community and win prizes. And select if you would like to compete in challenges and game jams. Thank you so much for watching. We would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment down below what your thoughts were. And don't forget to head over to our Discord and share what you learned throughout this episode. Remember, all designs throughout each series will be shown at the end of the video, so be sure to head over to the submission sections in the Discord and post your work. I have been your host, Clayton Jones, and don't forget to stay creative.